Yeah, used to dream about the big black baller I'd be. Yeah. Used to dream about the big black baller I'd be. Back when phones first got caller ID. Used to dream about the big black baller I'd be. Back when phones first got caller ID. In and out of town, yeah, they saw them IDs. Courts I could pass, yeah, it's all about these. Blunt 4 grams when I'm rolling out these. Quarterback Mac, make a run around, please. They can talk, they can chat, they know none about these. I'ma come when I can, I'ma come around. 3, no fists, no dance, no one swung around me. Off the love, my fam gon' bring a gun about me. Remember, nobody ever gave a fuck about me. I'm an animal, y'all don't even know about beats. My results, they can wonder how I brung about these. I don't sell, but it's looking like I brung around keys. Stop, say your boy is the most out. So dope, boy, you can put your nose out. Finna pack a stadium, bringing rows out. And I'm finna run the game for the whole South. Double cups, all these niggas pulling foes out. All the ducks and the birds and the crows out. When it's cold and even when it's froze out. All these women at the club with their toes out. When promoters start bringing all the shows out. Finna headline mine, finna close out. I be up in the club throwing bows out. The diamond in my chain, nigga, with the goes out. Hit the button, I might send this shit to Fun Flex. Start with nothing, then I turn this shit to something. Shout out to God, know we see a nigga suffering. Swear to God, they gon' see us on Sunset. Get it running, bitch, I'm about to do 100. Chase my dream, I'ma catch it like fun test. Niggas broke, I don't wanna get in contact. It sound foreign, I don't understand the concept.
I'm hearing the melody. Yeah, I'm hearing the melody. Yeah, ninth wonderful tones. Yeah, they tryna hear it though. Okay, they tryna hear it though. Okay, for everything the melody be and what you get to perceive, it's all depending on the steps and what they get to believe. I put a cape on and did it for the steps where I be. I got my J off and made them wanna step in my threes. And if ever you should attempt, you stepping through to the trench. And if you should live to recall it, you'll never do this again. If you should live to be honest, you'll let it do what it promised. I promise to be the reason my hood gets another honor. Christopher did it first, Skylar the second coming. I knew when I saw that hearse that I gotta keep up the runnings. Knew if you caught a verse, then you'd probably wanna tuck it. Let the drumming be the talk of the current. And written in for every Ace and every Mitch and every Rico and your glare. Or AZ, her rich and the Alpo was really there. The shit that screens are made of, living dreams and wake ups, and using hymn books to hide the paper. I'm hearing the melody, and hear what it's telling me. I stood tall next to it to hear what they let it be. I stood tall next to it for fear what it never be. And I be on my own when I hear what it's telling me.
Properly medicated and probably the most debated. Obviously dedicated, discography underrated. And it's preposterous how I'm popping up on these stations. Used to be one of poverty's most popular faces. Niggas tried copying and pasting but couldn't copy the cadence. Don't be surprised, we pocketed paper. Profits is major, it's the population of rosters out in Jamaica. My posse nothing to play with. Never. From Morocco to Venezuela, moving more product than El Chapo on the labors. Don't even call me an MC, I'm an ogre. I'm a meteorite, these niggas mediocre. I'd rather be considered an OG when it's over. In a tinted limousine, blowing weed at my chauffeurs. Don Santiago on behalf of my Rollos. Been married to the mob, Jasmine Solano.
Hearing the melody, and hear what it's telling me. I stood tall next to it to hear what they let it be. I stood tall next to it for fear what it never be. And I be on my own when I hear what it's telling me.
Hearing my melody make me liable for felonies. R-A-K-I-N with it, which y'all niggas telling me. Definitely want me mad to ring if it don't help to better me. Olympic 7 zone, niggas should probably medal me. Only go, been too official cause I know the phony foe. People with opinions that matter gon' tell you homie cold. It's more than music to me. Y'all niggas only buy the money while I'm next to italic buttons, let homie bold. King Mr. Tron saying shouts to connoisseurs who watch the movie and show love.